Welcome to this German A1 grammar video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos on German A1. Links are in the description. In this lesson, we will learn how to use indefinite articles in German, that is, the words ein and eine. We will look at how they match with masculine, feminine, and neuter nouns. You will also see real-life sentence examples, a simple conversation, and a mini quiz at the end. By the end of this video, you will be able to use ein and eine correctly and confidently. So let us begin. Part 1. What are indefinite articles? In English, we say a or n before a noun. For example, an apple or a flower. In German, we use ein or eine for this. These are called indefinite articles. Ein is used with masculine and neuter nouns. Eine is used with feminine nouns. Here are some examples. Ein Apfel means an apple. The word Apfel is masculine. Eine Blume means a flower. The word Blume is feminine. Ein Buch means a book. Here the word Buch is neuter. We will now learn how to know when to use ein or eine. Before we continue, let us take a moment to understand something very important. You may remember in the last video, we learned about the German articles, der, die, and das. They are called definite articles. In English, that means the. If you missed that lesson, I recommend watching it first. It will help you understand this topic better. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Now let us connect what we learned in that video to what we are learning today. Today we are learning about ein and eine. These are called indefinite articles. They mean a or an in English. So how are they related? It depends on the gender of the noun. If the noun is masculine, it takes der in the definite form and ein in the indefinite form. Let me give you an example. We say der Apfel for the apple. Now change it to an apple. So we say ein Apfel. So der becomes ein. If the noun is feminine, it takes die in the definite form and eine in the indefinite form. For example, die Blume means the flower. If you want to say a flower, you say eine Blume. So die becomes eine. And if the noun is neuter, it takes das in the definite form and ein in the indefinite form. For example, das Buch means the book. To say a book, we say ein Buch. So das also becomes ein. Let us review that once more. So now you can see knowing der, die, das makes it much easier to use ein and eine correctly. This small trick will help you a lot in everyday German. Now let us continue and see how to match ein and eine with the gender of different nouns. Part 2. Matching articles with gender. In German, nouns have a gender. That means every noun is either masculine, feminine, or neuter. The words ein and eine are used for a or an in English. But in German, you must use the right article depending on the gender of the noun. Let us look at how this works. For masculine nouns, we use ein. Here are some examples. Ein Tisch means a table. Ein Stuhl means a chair. Ein Apfel means an apple. Ein Hund means a dog. All these words are masculine. So we say ein before the noun. These are more examples. You can stop the video and read. Now for feminine nouns we use eine. Listen to these examples. Eine Tasche means a bag. Eine Blume means a flower. Eine Lampe means a lamp. Eine Katze means a cat. These are feminine. So we must say eine. These are more examples. You can stop the video and read. And for neuter nouns, we also use ein, just like masculine. Here are some neuter words. Ein Buch means a book. Eine Kind means a child. Eine Haus means a house. Eine Auto means a car. These are neuter nouns. So again we use ein. So let's review. We say ein for masculine words. We say eine for feminine words. And we also say ein for neuter words. That means ein is used with two genders and eine is only used with feminine nouns. A good tip is to always learn the noun with its article. Say ein Tisch instead of just Tisch. Say eine Blume instead of only Blume. Say ein Buch instead of just Buch. This habit will help you remember the gender and speak more clearly in German. Now that you understand the difference between ein and eine, let's see how to use them in full sentences in the next part of this video. Part 3. Using ein and eine in sentences and dialogues. Now let us look at how to use the words ein and eine in real German sentences. We use ein when the noun is masculine or neuter. Let us start with masculine. The word Tisch means table. It is a masculine noun, so we say das ist ein Tisch. That means this is a table. Now a neuter example. The word Buch means book. It is a neuter noun, so we say ich habe ein Buch. That means I have a book. So for masculine or neuter nouns we use ein. Now let us look at eine. We use it with feminine noun. First example. The word Blume means flower. It is a feminine noun, so we say das ist eine Blume. That means this is a flower. Another example. The word Lampe means lamp. It is also feminine, so we say ich kaufe eine Lampe. That means I buy a lamp. As you can see, the word for a or an in German changes based on the gender of the noun. Ein is for masculine and neuter. Eine is for feminine. And remember, when you learn a noun, always learn it together with its article. That way, your grammar becomes more natural. Part 4. Mini dialogue practice with ein and eine. Now let us listen to a short and simple conversation. In this dialogue, a woman goes to a market stand and asks for a bag and a book.
Guten Tag. Ich suche eine Tasche.
Natürlich. Hier ist eine rote Tasche.
Haben Sie auch ein Buch?
Ja, hier ist ein interessantes Buch.
Ich nehme eine Tasche und ein Buch. Danke.
Gern geschehen. Einen schönen Tag noch.
She says, ich suche eine Tasche. Tasche means bag and it is feminine. That is why she uses eine. The seller shows her a red bag and says, Hier ist eine rote Tasche. Then she asks for a book. Haben Sie auch ein Buch? Book is a neuter noun, so we use ein. The seller replies, Hier ist ein interessantes Buch. Finally, the woman says, Ich nehme eine Tasche und ein Buch. She takes both and uses both ein and eine correctly. This is how ein and eine sound in real conversation. As you hear more examples like these, your understanding of gender and articles will get better and better. Part 5, Practice Quiz. Choose ein or eine. Now it is your turn to practice. I will say a sentence with a blank, and you will choose the correct word, ein or eine, to complete the sentence. Each word will be a common noun. Try to remember if it is masculine, feminine, or neuter. Are you ready? Let us begin. Ich habe Apfel, eine Apfel means apple. It is a masculine noun in German. So we say ein Apfel. The correct answer is A, ein. Sie kauft Lampe, ein oder eine. Lampe means lamp. It is feminine. That means we say eine Lampe. So the correct answer is B, eine. Wir lesen Buch, eine. Buch means book. It is neuter. We use ein for neuter nouns. So the answer is A, ein. Möchte Zeitung kaufen, eine. Zeitung means newspaper. It is feminine. So we say eine Zeitung. The correct answer is B, eine. Ich suche Stift, eine. Stift means pen. It is masculine. So the right answer is ein Stift. The answer is A, ein. Well done. The more you practice, the better you will remember which article goes with which noun. Remember, ein for masculine and neuter, eine for feminine. Great job! You have learned how to use the indefinite articles, ein and eine. In German, we saw how these articles match the gender of nouns. You practiced with real examples, and you took a short quiz to check your understanding. Now you are one step closer to speaking German more confidently. In the next video, we will learn how to say no in German by using negative articles like kein and keine. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to our channel for more simple and clear German lessons. See you in the next video. Tschüss.